I'm JoJo.
And I'm Brittany.
I'm on the social media team at Pure Romance.
I'm a graphic designer at Pure Romance.
And today we're going to teach you how to do your own Instagram photo shoot. Let's get started! One thing to keep in mind when you're doing your own photo shoot is you don't need to be in a studio like we are. You can use a place with natural lit lighting, and all you need is your iPhone. Also, you only need a few inexpensive props that you can get at the dollar section at Target like we did. Things like this hat, or these napkins, confetti, or this cute bottle opener, and donuts.
And wine.
Even before you get your props and backgrounds ready, your first step is to plan. Creating a simple content calendar with photo go-bys and products you'd like to use in each photo is an easy way to make the process quick and efficient. You can come up with your own ideas or look at other accounts and brands similar to your vibe for your photo inspiration. Before we start our photo shoot, we like to plan which products will be used in which photos and then decide which backgrounds go best with each photo. As you can see, we've laid out our background and our props, and in this photo we've decided not to use any products. You can play around with the aesthetic and try taking a few photos to see which angles look the best until you get it the way you like. Though it's not mandatory, we like to take the photo in square mode so the photos fit into our overall Instagram layout better. If you're using donuts or other foods as props, sneaking a few bites here and there is definitely encouraged. Another important thing to remember is to use different backgrounds to give some variety to your photos. You can get backgrounds from anywhere like Amazon or your local fabric shop. Backgrounds like pretty pink, fabulous furs, wonderful wood.
Don't forget your wine!
This next photo was taken to celebrate the very important holiday, National Wine Day, and includes a few props, yes, wine being one of them, and a different background. We chose to use the essential oil Rise and Grind because we found this cute wine glass that says Rise and Wine, and play the two off of each other with our fun caption that says Rise and Grind for National Wine Day. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? Remember, don't forget to ask for the sale if you're featuring products in your post. It's super easy. Just add something like shop the link in my bio into your caption, and be sure to add the link to your microsite in your bio. Again, you might need to play around with the composition and layout before you get it right. Once you're done taking your photos, you can use photo editing apps to brighten the photo and play around with the contrast. Just be careful not to go overboard. My favorite app to use is A Color Story, which is free and super easy to use. If you haven't already, check out our Instagram for examples and photo inspiration. As you can see, doing your own Instagram photo shoot and creating your own content is super easy and fun. Now, don't forget to hashtag Pure Romance so we can see all your fabulous Instagrams. Now, it's time to celebrate.
With wine.